Hello friend, welcome to our channel where we bring you the most interesting and amazing facts from around the world. Today we are taking you to the Amazon rainforest where the residents are known for their unique lifestyle and perceived danger. Let's dive into how these people live in the dense and mysterious jungle and why they are considered dangerous. If you are enjoying our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is not only famous for its incredible biodiversity but also for the unique and sometimes dangerous human tribes that inhabit it. Let's explore more about these residents in detail. Huorani. The Huorani people live in the Ecuadorian Amazon rainforest. They are known for forcefully protecting their territory and are extremely wary of outsiders. The Huorani community considers the jungle as their mother and makes every effort to preserve it. They are hunters and possess traditional weapons like bows and arrows. They can be very aggressive toward any external intrusion. Sentinels. Although the sentinels live in the Andaman Islands and not in the Amazon, their lifestyle and dangerous tendencies are similar to some Amazonian tribes. They are completely isolated from the outside world and are very hostile towards outsiders. In the Amazon, there are several tribes groups that avoid external contact and can be aggressive in defending their territory. Next is Kayapo. The Kayapo people reside in the central parts of the Amazon. They are known for their effort to preserve and richness of the jungle, and their lifestyle shows a deep connection with nature. The Kayapo community has maintained their language and tradition while also adopting some aspects of modernity. However, when it comes to protecting their territory, they can be quite aggressive. Next is Asaninka. The Asaninka community is found in the Amazon regions of Peru and Brazil. They are known for their traditional medicinal system, which relies on the medicinal plants found in the jungle. The Asaninka people oppose external interference and consider the preservation of the jungle crucial to their culture. They can be quite deficient when it comes to protecting their territory. So friends, this was the story to some of the unique and dangerous human tribes of the Amazon rainforest. Their culture and lifestyle have made them distinct and special from the outside world. But when it comes to protecting their territory, they can go to any extent. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please like, subscribe to our channel and share it video so that more people can learn about the fantastic world of the Amazon. Thank you.